Boom, hello guys, it's Rambi back to another video, and today I wanted to show you how I made my Note 5 looks like the new Note 8. First of all, I wanted to show you the settings, because this one is not actually the ROM for the Note 8, but is the ROM for the S8. I'm gonna to show you over here. You can see S8 Plus. Yeah, I just installed this ROM, but it's working really fine. And as you can see here, I just have the apps edge and other stuff over here, and the S Pen works very good. And there is also the glance. I'm gonna to show you maybe just something. I'm gonna to open, I don't know, Amazon. And as you can see, if I use the glance here, I can see the page and look at the other application or whatever I want. Another implementation is the always on display. As you can see, if I turn off the display turn on, just like that. The fingerprint is working really fine, and actually I had some issue with the previous ROM that I installed. There are a lot of stuff over here, and you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to show you one moment. I just need a message or something, so I'm going to call 404 for a message and wait for it. Okay, and as you can see over here, this is the notification, like the S8. And okay, delete. Okay, this screen is very cool, because as you can see, it could move and is really like the infinity display. Is very cool. Okay, I'm going to show you very quickly the settings. As you can see, connections over here, and here we have sound and vibration. Okay, notification, display, outdoor mode is a new setting. Okay, then wallpapers and other stuff. As you can see, you can choose the infinity wallpaper, the normal one, or you can move on to another, like this one. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so we were here, wallpaper advanced feature. To show you here in S Pen. This one is the device maintenance, and is like the auto ROM that I installed. Apps is just the apps. Look screen and security, sorry. Okay, and other stuff. Anyway, the S Pen memo works also with this ROM. As you can see, I can write over the display and save it without any problem. And I guess that's it. Let me know in the comments if you like it, and if you want a guide how to do it, just let me know and maybe I will do it. So guys, bye bye.